Oh. Oh my. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Wonder Arshad. Today we are here in the mother statue. We came here to see mother statue on the park in Yerevan. Let's go and enjoy it. Let's go to the park and see what we get there. No, I just do it for YouTube. It's a vlog. No? Oh, okay, thank you. Do you have ice cream?
Ice cream, yes.
Say hi. Okay guys, I just had ice cream and let's go and ride this boat. Bye bye. Well, maybe this is the place some concerts go on. Look at this.
Heilin. Was willst du sagen? Jetzt noch im Kongo, das ist zurück. Du machst die Heilin. Es ist satt.
Is Roboton? Or ticket huh? For the ghost house. Where is the so that or ticket? Moon or ticket? Ticket.
Ticket you can go opposite.
There? Thank you. Ticket is here. Hello. One ticket for that ghost house.
300.
It's 300. Thank you. We just got ticket for the ghost house. I don't know how it is, but the one which we wanted to go, she just said we can't shoot inside. We are just, I don't know how it is. Maybe it's scary, guys. I'm actually scared of this. She's
Отсюда иди, а другой дверь заходи.
so, oh my god, it's so dark. Oh, just it's too fucking. Oh my god, there is no light. Oh, where is the door? Guys, actually, I'm fucking scared. I need light. Fuck this. Oh my god. Where's the door? Fuck guys. I just got scared. This is the little baby's thing. Ah. Fuck. These are dead. Fuck it. Fuck. I'm so scared of you. I just scared of that thing. You don't shake it. The sound. Thank God I got a phone with me. Oh my god. This was not, that's so scary. I thought it would be scary. Guys, I was literally fucking scared because it had some vibrator underneath. I got so scared. I thought it said something was shaking. I was all alone. And it was not so scary, but I got scared when the ground started shaking. But it was great. What is this? This is wait, I'll show you one ticket. Thank you. We got the ticket for the shooting concert. I just shoot that which I shoot. Okay, I don't shoot you. I just keep my bag there.
Do you want pistol, automat or tir?
Oh,
I give games pistol, 13 shoot. 13 is 9 shoot bank and too small.
how much?
Started gives.
How much is this for?
This no gives. Gives this one.
Okay. We need to shoot with this,
No, we need this.
with the pistol.
Yes, only pistol.
Only pistol?
Yes.
No, this guns.
No.
We can't use. That too?
No,
No?
only pistol.
Okay. Guys, let's do this. He says we can't shoot with this thing. I have all the pistols. Is this for YouTube? We need to shoot a big one. What's the
8 big and 9 big, too small.
9 big and 2 small? I'm not good at shooting, guys. It's messed up. Fuck. It's not going to there. One, two, three. Four. We just hit 4. We just hit 4, guys. It was cool. He said if we hit 9 small or 9 big and a small 2, we have a gift. I couldn't hit 4. It was so hard to hit 4. पंजाब से है पंजाब guys just playing bag can I give back
हाँ हाँ आ रही पास आ रही
let's go baby I don't know what's gonna happen oh my god I'm so afraid oh it's going up it's going up it's going up look oh my god Woo! oh my god oh, oh my god ah! Ah! Look. Oh! Oh, I'm at the top. Oh! My God. Let's go. We're gonna drop now. We're gonna drop now. We're gonna drop. Oh. Oh. And thank you. It was a great experience. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey guys, we are going for dashing car. He came just now, and now we are going to ride it. See you in that. Very good. Ahora no tengo.